Hello everyone, how are you doing today? In this quick tutorial, we will learn how to fix when Windows is not letting you to update to 2004 20H2 or any other Windows update which you're trying to do. So what happens when you go to update Windows update settings, you either get an error or Windows is actually stuck in some percentage of download. So we have a quick fix for the same. We just have to do two steps in order to fix that. The very first step is we need to disable any antivirus program which is running in the computer. And how you can do that? Where you see the time, just here you have a up arrow sign, and here you will find your antivirus program. You just have to do a right click and disable it for a particular time, like for an hour or until restart, and then try to update the same. If that doesn't work, what you can do is you can simply visit, I'll help you with a link, the Microsoft download link, where you can download the latest update to your computer and then run it as an exe file. So I'm in the description I'll be mentioning the Microsoft link, the Microsoft download link, which you can download from it. And if that doesn't work, please let me know in the comment section. I'll surely help you with that and I'll surely comment on it. Take care. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.